Hey everybody, this is Dan coming at you with another graphics quick tip from the Rogers Company. Today we're going to be talking about color and how to get the best, most accurate spot colors when we produce your digital wide format graphics. Starting off in Illustrator, first we want to verify that our document color mode is correct. We always want our document color mode to be CMYK. The way to change that, if it's not, if it says RGB there, you want to go under File and click on Document Color Mode, set that to CMYK. Done. The second thing we want to make sure that we do is to make sure that all of our spot colors are called out as Pantone colors in the file. A lot of people like to send us CMYK documents because in most printing applications, cyan, magenta, yellow, black is totally acceptable. In wide format printing, we use 6 and 8 color digital presses, and CMYK doesn't always translate properly in that environment. So we like to encourage people to use the Pantone colors because our printers are calibrated with the recipe for how to create your Pantone color on whatever media we're printing on. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I've got my Rogers logo up here, and I'm going to click on this orange background. And I know that my Pantone color is 158C. I'm going to go ahead and open up my color window so I can see what it is right now. I'm going to go up to Window and hit Color. And you can see this is just some random CMYK build that the RIP system that we have here will interpret in its own way. So I'm going to fix that by selecting Window, Swatches. I'm going to hit this little flyout here and go down to Open Swatch Library. And then I'm going to click on Color Books. And then what we want is the Pantone Plus Solid Coded Library. And there's this handy little search bar. We're going to type 158 and we get our Pantone 158C. I click on that. And now when I click on this document, I can add that swatch. And now this will show up correctly and will print correctly when we go ahead and put it through our system. In InDesign, setting a Pantone swatch is a little different. We want to go to Window, click on Color, and then click on Swatches. In this little flyout over here, we're going to go to New Color Swatch. Under Color Mode, we're going to hit CMYK and go down to Pantone Plus Solid Coded. And we get our little search bar here. We're going to type 158, and now I have my Pantone color loaded in my swatch library. And I can select on my background color and properly apply the correct Pantone color. This is Dan, and this has been Graphics Quick Tips from the Rogers Company. Thank you for watching.